Welcome to Sustainment. It's where procurement teams and supply chain professionals like you find, compare, and engage with reliable suppliers, all on one platform. Our professional plan offers an AI-powered sourcing technology to discover suppliers with the exact qualifications to meet your specific manufacturing needs. It saves you time by rapidly producing a list of suppliers ranked in priority for criteria, and with one click, you can request quotes from all of them. With an ever-expanding community of thousands, our professional plan is the only source you need to expand your supplier network, reduce the risk of production delays, and strengthen your supply chain. Invite your existing suppliers, source new suppliers, and connect your teams to expedite projects. Our technology makes secure in-app messaging and sharing technical data and CAD files easy. So go ahead, join Sustainment, the American manufacturing community that connects buyers to suppliers, and take control of your supply chain today.